Dear students, you are studying body organization in animal and the cockroach, its life cycle is given. You have studied cockroach belongs to phylum Arthropoda and class Insecta. Body divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. Head consists of 6 fused segments. Thorax have 3 segments, prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. From each segment of thorax, one pair of leg arise. So there are 3 pair of leg. Abdomen consists of 10 segments. In both male and female, from 10th segment, a filamentous structure arises that is called anal cerci. Dorsal side of the body has scale called terga. Tergum is singular. Ventral side has sternum. Sterna is plural. And they are joined by sclerids. Head bear compound eyes which are made up of unit called ommatidia. Cockroach has mosaic vision. It means each ommatidia join together and form the eye. So it consists of small segment. In cockroach, the heart segment are 13, situated in pericardial sinus. Sinus means cavity. Heart is situated in pericardial sinus. There are 2 partitions which divide. These are partitions which divide the cavity into 3 parts. Perivisceral sinus, pericardial sinus, perivisceral sinus and perineural sinus. Heart are connected with alary muscle. These alary muscle contract and push the blood towards the head region. From here, blood circulate throughout the body and enter the heart through 2 small holes called ostia. So, cockroach has open circulatory system. Then, respiratory system consists of 10 pair of spiracle. They are situated on either side of the body. Each spiracle lead into trachea, windpipe. Trachea divide into many branches called tracheole. Tracheole supply oxygen directly to the muscles and tissues of the body. So in cockroach, the oxygen does not get mixed with the blood. Blood of cockroach is white. It is called hemolymph. Nervous system has ganglion. Ganglion means small swelling which contain cytosol or cell body only. From here, nerve fiber arise and innervate different part of the body. A big ganglion above the esophagus. It is called supraesophageal ganglion. 3 ganglion in the thoracic region and 7 ganglion in abdominal region. They give rise to the nerve fiber which innervate the concerned segment. Now, reproductive system of cockroach. Cockroach is unisexual. It means sexes are separate in cockroach. The male cockroach has anal style above the anal cerci. Male cockroach has anal style externally. It has three-lobed testes situated in 4, 5 and 6 segment. So testes are situated in 4, 5 and 6 segment. Testes have transparent follicle. They are arranged in a longitudinal row. From the testes arises vas deferens. Singular is vasa differentia. It is nodulated. Can you see the small swelling in vas deferens, into which the testes discharge the sperm? In adult cockroach, testes become non-functional and greatly reduced in size. So, testes open into vas deferens. This vas deferens run posteriorly and downward and open into ejaculatory duct. This ejaculatory duct extends posteriorly into the genital pouch. It has a male genital pore lying immediately below anus between 9th and 10th terga. So, ejaculatory duct opens into genital pouch. This genital pouch has male genital pore in between 9th and 10th terga. Mushroom gland. The junction of two vasa differentia and ejaculatory duct. This is vas deferens and this is ejaculatory duct. It has mushroom gland which consists of numerous compact finger-like sac and open into ejaculatory duct. Next is seminal vesicle, present on ventral surface on anterior part of ejaculatory duct. So seminal vesicle is present on ventral surface of the anterior part of ejaculatory duct. It has numerous small glistening white sac called seminal vesicle where sperms are stored. So from here sperms are transported and they are stored in seminal vesicle. Phallic or conglobate gland. It is a large multi-lobed leaf-like gland present below the ejaculatory duct and reaching anteriorly through the 5th segment. It secretes outer layer of spermatophore. Bundle of sperm are called spermatophore. All these sperm are joined together by a layer which is secreted by phallic gland. Genital pouch is a chamber at the hind end of abdomen of cockroach between 9th and 10th terga. It contains dorsal anus ventral male genital pore, and 3 gonapophyses. Gonapophyses are copulatory organ. They are 3 in number. One right, other left, and one ventral. So 3 finger-like projections are there called gonapophyses. One on right side, other on left side, and third is on ventral side. So this is about male reproductive system of cockroach. Now female reproductive system contain ovary which extend from second to sixth segment. Each ovary consists of small unit called ovariole. Each ovary has 8 ovariole. Inside the ovariole, egg develop. So the lowest egg are the mature one and immature egg are towards the upper side. These ovary leads into oviduct or vagina. So the 2 lateral oviduct in their turn unite in 7th segment. These 2 are the oviduct. They unite in the 7th segment to form a median common oviduct. These are 2 lateral oviduct and this is the median common oviduct. Its posterior wider part is called vagina, which is formed by invagination of body wall. It opens into large genital pouch here. This large genital pouch has female genital pore. Spermatheca. What is spermatheca? It is a sac-like structure opens by an aperture in the dorsal wall of genital pouch. In fertile female, spermatheca is filled with spermatozoa during copulation from the male. So when male and female cockroach unite, male deposit its sperm in the spermatheca of the female. Collateral gland. Above the ovaries are 2 collateral glands. Secretion of these 2 collateral glands help to form the egg case or ootheca around the group of egg. So function of collateral gland is to form ootheca or egg case around the group of egg. Genital pouch. This genital pouch located at the hind end of abdomen in 7th sterna. Genital pouch divided into 2 parts. Upper part contain female genital pore and lower part is called vestibulum where ootheca is formed. Upper part has female genital pore and lower part has the vestibulum where the ootheca are formed. External genitalia, like here 3 gonapophyses, finger-like projection. Same 3 gonapophyses are present in female also. They help in copulation, in laying egg and formation of ootheca. So during copulation, 3 gonapophysis of male fit into the three gonapophysis of female. Male get excited, releases sperm which are stored in the spermaticae of the female. How copulation take place? Sexually mature male and female cockroach generally mate during night from March to September. During copulation, male transfer its spermatozoa in the form of pocket, and this pocket is called spermatophore into the genital pouch of the female. Fertilization of egg occur in vestibulum, lower part of the genital pouch. Fertilized egg gets surrounded by secretion of collateral gland which become hard and form ootheca. This ootheca is laid in a warm, sheltered and dark place. So ootheca is released from here. Development of egg. The egg undergoes spiral cleavage. Young cockroach or nymph emerge out, leaving the egg membrane behind. Freshly hatched nymph are delicate, transparent and almost colorless. They possess nearly all adult characters but differ in size and color. They are sexually immature and lack the wings. Metamorphosis. Immediately after hatching, the nymph undergoes first molting or egg dices and then 6 to 7 successive molting occurs. As nymphial development proceeds, the wing pad arise, body increase in size, coloration become darker, and ultimately the adult takes its form with fully developed wings and genitalia. Thus, development of cockroach is incomplete or gradual metamorphosis. Interaction with mankind. All the species of cockroaches are harmful because they contaminate our food with their excreta, spread foul smell, also pose potential harm by acting as disease transmitting agent. Besides, cockroaches are the fourth most common allergen. They also have a psychological impact on human, causing anxiety and stress due to embarrassment and physical invasion. Cockroaches are eaten in certain part of the world such as Myanmar, China, Japan, Australia and South America for nourishment or for medicinal value. They are safe, convenient, effective animal model for laboratory exercise. So with this chapter is finished. Draw diagram of cockroaches 5 times. Diagrams are somewhat difficult.